I'm Tasha Belitho from Adroit Insurance and Risk in Geelong, and I'm here today visiting Lizzie at Wildlife Wonders. Last year we did have an issue for you, which was quite a bad situation where somebody sent you a fraudulent invoice, which was unfortunately paid. But obviously you guys were quite clever and made sure you had management liability cover, which covers for things like fraudulent payments to a non-true payee. Obviously, sort of the end result, I think, of that was too that there was a forensic accountant that also got involved with part of the claim. So as part of a management liability policy, if you do have a claim like that, they will come out and try and help you to improve your business. And you know, if there's a little thing that you can tweak to make sure that doesn't happen again, and it could just be a little simple process. So obviously they did come and give you some help in that regard.
He did, yes. And working with Jamshed was fantastic. He was so thorough and so careful, and he went through everything so wonderfully. And his advice, not just his advice, I think his support throughout the process was really wonderful. And yes, the advice that he gave us has really helped us to improve our systems and make sure something like that never happens again.
No, that's good. Yeah, and I guess obviously that's the best conversation we can have as an insurance broker, is when you came in and I said, yes, you do have cover. Obviously the worst conversation is we say, no, you don't have cover, and you know, you're out of pocket obviously, or you know, begging, borrowing and stealing from some other place to try and recover the funds. So obviously it was a good outcome for both parties. So that regard, it's been a good result.
For sure. And I think that relationship is really important, because you knew what our organisation was, and you know what we do. You make sure that we have the insurance that we need. And that's incredibly helpful, because it can be hard on the ground to sort of understand what potential risks you could be exposed to, and to make sure you have the policies in place that cover that.
Absolutely. And it does help obviously to come out and visit the sites and make sure that everything's insured, because people do forget, you know, and it's human nature, we're all human, so we all forget things, whereas if someone can point it out, or likewise you might be able to point something out to me. So
for sure.
So I guess that pretty much winds up our discussion, I guess. But yeah, obviously our relationship's been going for a really long time, and hopefully it continues to go for another 20 years. So we wish you all the best with Wildlife Wonders.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks.